What's up guys, welcome to another build series, Blokees build series that we have. As you can see, we got another one of our purchase from our seller online, and the one that gave us some of the known characters from the Transformer series. And on this part we are going to build Skywarp. So let's go ahead and let's start building. Let's go. Okay, so for this series, since this most of the builds that we have came from this secure box, would like to let you know that we are down to our last four builds for this one. And yeah, so let's go ahead and unbox our Skywarp and let's start building him. Let's go. Okay, so we got our build today, and this is Skywarp. So he is one of the known characters in Transformer series. He is one of the Decepticon seekers, so he is like his brother Starscream and other seekers. There are a lot of them, so they are like more on they have the same similar features as Starscream, but different in colors. So he is one of the major antagonists in the Transformers series. So he is a purple and black F-15 jet, just like Starscream, like I mentioned, in Thundercracker. He was one of the first Decepticon to be awakened in the series. Okay, so aside from being the antagonist in the Transformers the movie, where he, Skywarp, Thundercracker, Megatron, and the Insecticons were casted out by Starscream, he was transformed by Unicron as Cyclonus, and Megatron was transformed or rebirthed into Galvatron, and the Insecticons are the Sweepers. Thundercracker is Scorch. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for our latest updates. So see you guys next time. Peace.